Okay, I've got to solve this quadratic, you'll notice straight away it doesn't factorise. So therefore, I could use the quadratic formula, but that's not very nice. Okay, so I'm going to actually do something called completing the square, which some of you might have seen, some of you might not have done. Depends what sort of GCSE you did actually. So here we go. Complete the square. I'm going to get x, and I'm going to halve the coefficient of x here. So I'll halve that. Now, if I was to expand that bracket, I would get my x squared, excellent. I'll get minus 8x, excellent. But I get an extra 16, so I don't want that. So I'm going to take it away, and the plus 3, okay, stays as it is. I'm then going to simplify this. Okay, and it's important if I'm solving that I get a negative here, because when I put it onto, when I add 13 to both sides, I get that. Now I'm going to square root, okay, and I'm going to get plus or minus, and that's where the two answers come from, and I'm going to get x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 13. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, but you just got to, if you've not seen it before, it's pretty easy actually. Once you've seen it a couple of times, it really is just practice putting in. Don't forget the when you square root is plus or minus. Second thing is completing the square again. Now I don't want this. This is not very nice. I don't want 2y squared, so I'm actually going to factorise out a 2. So I'm going to get this first of all, plus, and the fact that I've got a fraction there is not a problem. I'm not going to take it out from the 1 though, okay, because I want to leave stuff in that form, p brackets q y plus q squared plus r. So here we go. Now I'm going to complete the square, but leaving the 2 out, so I get y plus, and I halve this. Okay, oops, sorry, that should be a bracket, don't know what I'm doing there. Squared. Now take away the square of that, which is 25 over 16. Okay, and take away 1. Now that looks pretty horrible, but we're getting there basically. So here we go. So 2 brackets, and I'm going to multiply out this bracket essentially. Okay, I'm not going to do that one though, but I am going to do this one. So it becomes 25 over 8 minus 1. Okay, and then I'm going to simplify, and it says that I'm going to have a number outside the bracket. So p is 2. Right, the others are constants. That's going to be 5 over 4. So q is 5 over 4. And then minus 25 over 8 minus 1 is minus 33 over 8. Now again, it's really not very nice, but it's possible without a calculator. Remember, you've not got a calculator for this, so do expect fractions and stuff like that. So r minus 33 over 8, as I say. So completing the square, essential to this sort of stuff, especially if you haven't got a calculator.